When I first started training and teaching entrepreneurs how to generate 6 and 7 figures in their business through Facebook ads, one of the major things that skyrocketed their business was the amount of names, phone numbers, and emails they had. That is what we call a lead. And there's actually a massive correlation between the amount of leads that you have in your business and the amount of revenue that you make in your business. That's one thing that I've discovered over the last 8 years of training students. Lead generation is the lifeblood of your business. The biggest businesses in the world are obsessed with generating more leads in their business, because you have to understand, the more leads that you collect, the more you can begin to promote to these leads with your amazing products and services and offers. And inside of our coaching program, we actually have students who are generating leads at a cost of 24 cents per lead, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So what I'm about to share with you in this video is a strategy that we've used for large brands such as Crumble Cookie and your everyday entrepreneur. This strategy can definitely work for you, so I want you to pay attention. And here's the thing, the way we designed this strategy is to get you the most amount of leads for the lowest cost. So you want to stay tuned till the end. The biggest thing that I want you to take away from this video is that data equals dollars. The more data you collect, the more money you're gonna make in your business. Now, before we go in and I actually give you the ad strategy, step one in this process is coming up with an irresistible offer. There's been countless times where people try and promote their products or their services, and they put a freebie out there, and that free product or service generates them no leads. Well, the biggest reason why is because they did not create what we call an irresistible offer. The offer that you put out there, whether it's a product-based offer or if it's a service-based offer, the number one thing that you have to keep in mind is that it has to be something that's mouth-watering to your consumer. The best way for you to know if it's a mouth-watering offer is by doing a gut test. And what I mean by that is, if you're doing a giveaway, for instance, and you're giving away $500 to $1,000 worth of value in that giveaway, it's probably gonna make you feel a little nervous. It's probably gonna give you that feeling in your gut that's kind of like, I don't know if I really wanna give away all of that to them for free. If you have that feeling, that means that you are on the right track and that is an irresistible product. Too many times people go skimpy on their offer, and because of that, they fail to generate the amount of data that they wanna collect. Remember, when you're giving away this offer, it is extremely important for you to understand that data is the most valuable asset in the world. So if someone's gonna give you their most valuable asset, which is their name, phone number, and email, you have to be giving them something of immense value. Now, when it comes to irresistible offers, there's a few different ones that you can choose from, all right? The first one is a giveaway. A giveaway is simply designed for you to give this product away one time, but the goal is to generate a massive amount of leads in the process. We've done giveaways with different brands such as Crumble Cookie. We've done giveaways with our students as well. And the reason why they perform so well is because the offer is irresistible. It's something so mouth-watering that someone wouldn't mind giving you their name, phone number, and email, right? So when you're thinking about giving something away, the best things to give away are things that you're already charging for, and not things that you're charging a little bit of money for. You want to give away things that are extremely valuable. You want to make the giveaway mouth-watering. A few of our students are currently doing giveaways, and the cost per result is insanely low. And the reason why is because it's very easy, if you have a mouth-watering product, to get more potential customers into your world. So the giveaway is a great way to do that. Now, another option to generate more leads in your business is using educational content. For instance, we have a 7-step blueprint on how to create your first Facebook ad right below this video. The link is in the description. That is a lead magnet. That is designed to give so much value to people for free that they have no choice but to give us their name, phone number, and email, because we are giving them immense value, right? And that's an educational product that we're giving. So regardless of the niche that you're in, think about the things that you charge for on a regular basis and start giving that away for free in exchange for information, and you will generate more leads in your business. You could also do free trainings, right? You can run ads to a free training offer where in the training, you're uncovering something that your target audience is struggling with. That is another great way to generate massive leads in your business. One strategy that we use a lot with our students is we'll have them create webinars, like live webinar trainings. And when they find a good webinar that converts really well, we'll create an evergreen webinar training where we take the recording of the video, we throw it on a landing page, and we create a lead magnet out of it. And that's some of the things that we do inside of our program. But that is another great way to generate leads. Now, the fourth one, this one is for e-commerce brands or local brick and mortar brands that are selling particular products. A great way to generate leads is by giving away discounts. So think about giving away a 20%, 30%, 40% discount off of someone's first purchase in order for them to come into your shop and buy from you, right? Now, when you give away these discounts, the way that it's gonna work is you're going to run your Facebook ad. And when that potential customer comes to your landing page and opts in to the offer, you're gonna email them and you're gonna say in the email, hey, thanks for becoming a VIP member. Just take this email and bring it into the shop when you come. Show us the email and we'll honor your discount. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is if you have a local shop and you're trying to get some traction, you could also give away something for free. For instance, if you have a tea shop in San Antonio and you want to get more traction and get more people into the tea shop, another thing that you can do is you can run ads to a free drink. Come into our shop today and get a free drink. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is click the link below to sign up for the giveaway. And you can do the same process where they sign up, you send them a text or email, they show you that text or email when they come into the shop, and then they get their free drink. This is another great way to generate leads. And I'm using these as an example because these are actual real students that we're working with right now that are crushing it utilizing these strategies. Now, you have to understand the benefit of getting leads into your pipeline is massive. Remember, the more names, phone numbers, and emails you get, those are more people that you can now promote your paid offers to. And again, like I said, with my students in the past who've generated 6 and 7 figures a year, the biggest correlation between them all is that they have huge lists that they can promote to. All right, now that we've got that out the way and now that you've figured out what your offer is, let's go ahead and get into the ads. So when you're running your Facebook ad, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna choose your objective. We've had success with both the sales objective as well as the lead objective. I would say, just to keep it simple for you, you wanna choose the lead objective. And we found that works really well with our students. Now, once you've chose your objective, you're gonna also wanna choose an effective budget for you and what it is that you're doing. Now, I have another video where I talk about the most effective budgets if you have a tiny budget or a small budget. But if you do have a small budget, I'd recommend anything under $50 a day. Let's just say you do $20 a day to start with for this particular giveaway. We have students that are doing $5 a day for giveaways and getting great results. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you're gonna do inside of your ad is you're going to choose websites because you're gonna generate leads through a website. Instead of generating leads on a Facebook leads form, you're gonna take people directly to a landing page. And we'll talk about landing pages here shortly. All right, now step 3 is identifying the targeting that you wanna use for your giveaway. Facebook is so good when it comes to targeting that you don't even have to use a lot of targeting at all to generate the best results. So what we like to do is use Advantage Plus targeting because that allows Facebook to cast a really wide net and bring in the right types of people into your brand. So Advantage Plus is something that I would recommend when running your giveaway. Now, the cool thing about Advantage Plus is you can still give Advantage Plus in Facebook's algorithm some suggestions on the targeting that you would prefer. And here's the cool thing about it. What Facebook will do is they'll take that targeting that you give Facebook into consideration when they're delivering your ad to people. And if your targeting doesn't work, it's totally fine. It's totally all good. Facebook will move elsewhere to find more people that are more likely to take advantage of your offer. So we do like to use Advantage Plus. Then you're going to choose the placements. So for those of y'all don't know what placements are, a placement is where you want your ad to be seen inside of the Facebook world. Meaning you can choose to have your ad seen on the Facebook platform, on the Instagram platform, on the Audience Network platform as well. What we like to do is we choose all the placements and And again, what we'll do for this example is we will use Advantage Plus as well. Because again, this is a great way to just let Facebook do the heavy lifting. The machine learning that Facebook uses along with the AI makes our lives a lot easier as advertisers in order to get our desired results. Now, the fourth part of this process, and this is really the key, is making sure that you have the right types of ad copy for this particular offer. Your messaging is the key. Remember, messaging is the new targeting. The better your message is, the better Facebook understands that messaging and then can deliver your ad to the right types of people based off of that messaging. So messaging is way more important than it used to be with Facebook ads. So one thing that I like to do with Facebook is I like to utilize ChatGPT. Now, here's the thing, Facebook does have its own AI generator. So once you start entering in some text, Facebook can give you some recommendations based off of that they generated with their AI. I'm not a huge fan though of Facebook's AI text generation. So I go straight to ChatGPT and enter in my own prompt in order for it to work. And as you can see here, I'm entering this prompt right now, and I typically ask for at least 2 different variations of the ad copy messaging that I can then put into my ads. Then what we have our students do is we have them go to Canva and we have them generate an image based off of a few different templates. Very simple to do. All you have to do is run over to Canva, search giveaway, and you can find a bunch of different giveaway templates. We have some different giveaway templates that we love to use in Canva that have worked for huge brands like Crumble Cookie, as well as our students who are not as big as Crumble Cookie, but are still out here crushing it. We do have some templates that we like to use. And what we're going to do is we're going to utilize these pictures in order to generate the best results. Now, the results that you get from this lead magnet depend on your offer. Some offers perform better with picture content. Some offers perform better with video content. What I encourage you to do is test it out. That's the only way that you're really gonna know which particular type of Facebook ad creative is gonna work for you. And don't be afraid to use video content in your ads where you're simply talking to the camera. Don't be afraid to do that, because here's the thing, no one cares how you look, okay? No one cares that you got a booger in your nose, or that your hair's not done, or that your lighting is off. People don't care about. The thing people care about is what they want, and they want the offer that you're giving them. So change your focus from focusing on you to focusing on the people that you're delivering the message to, and that'll resonate very well with your target audience. One of the things that I find very effective when it comes to creating lead magnets is the offer itself and the messaging you use inside of the offer. So for instance, we have students who have e-commerce stores, and we might do an offer and we might say, hey, enter to win free clothes for 1 year. Because again, it's about the offer being irresistible. If you're a coach, you could say, hey, win 3 months of free consulting with me. But again, the key is making the offer irresistible, however you can do that. Now, let me point out that when you're saying, hey, win free coaching for 3 months or win free clothes for a year, you're not giving them one item of clothing for 365 days of the year. You might create a giveaway where once a quarter, you're giving them a choice of $100 in value worth of outfits every quarter. If you're saying win 3 months of free coaching, you might meet with them once a month. So don't think that on the fulfillment side of things, that you have to do something every single day for it to make sense. The beauty of creating your offer is that you create the offer and you can create your own stipulations inside of this offer. Step 5, and the most important step in this entire offer, and this is why we generate amazing results for our student, is the landing page. You want to create a landing page. We have templates for this and stuff like that inside of our program, but you want to create a landing page that's very simple yet very effective. And you can see here, we have a landing page example here of exactly the way that we utilize our lead magnets, okay? Very simple. You add a picture of the product that you're giving away, and then right below it, you add the different perks or benefits that they're going to receive, and then they enter in their name, phone number, and email, and they submit, okay? But this is very important. The landing page is the key to generating the amount of leads that you want, okay? Now that you have the landing page situated, the last part of this whole process is making sure that you have the Facebook pixel connected to your landing page. And it's very simple to grab the Facebook pixel from Facebook and import it into the landing page. Once you do that, now you're good to go. Now you are ready to launch your ad and get the results, okay? So if you found this video beneficial, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. We drop videos like this every single week. And if you're someone who wants more, if you're someone who loves the things that we're talking about and you need a little bit more hands-on guidance, go ahead and click the link below and apply for our mentorship program. We are the technical guys. We are the guys that will sit with you and work with you hand in hand to help you to get results. So go ahead and click the link below if you're interested in joining the RFA community and joining our mentorship program. With that being said though, y'all, I am out of here. Peace and love, and definitely stay blessed.